In these sections, we are going to see about the S3 zone 1A. Okay, so basically, we are going to upload the file into one availability zone. So in this way, we can reduce the cost compared to the standard infrequent access, because there it is replicated into three availability zone, but here we are replicated into only one availability zone in order to reduce the cost. Usually we go for non-critical data, which we want to keep it in one zone only. Okay. So let me show you with hands-on. I'll go to AWS training and take this particular bucket. And what I'll do is I'll try to upload it and click on add. And you can take any file. So I'll take this manifest file, upload it, and it will ask which where you want to storage. So let me make it as one zone IA, okay, one zone. So you can see here, it is infrequently accessed and it will be in single availability zone with same millisecond. Difference between these two, standard IA and this one, the only thing is it is replicated into one availability zone. So in this zone, anything goes wrong, that's your responsibility. But usually we won't go for very critical applications like that. If you are going for non-critical, that's fine. Then we will keep it in only one availability zone. Okay. And that's it. And it will charge based upon the GB rate. Now let me click it and I'll upload it. Other things you can select as a default. So I'm just uploading. It got success. Click on close. And you can see here, this is a manifest file which I uploaded. You can see it is one zone here. So thank you guys. We'll see you in the next lecture.